Hello, my name is Dewi Wahyuni. I will explain unique animals with my friends. Okay, let's get to the list. Okay, the first is the Venezuelan water moth. Is a type of insects that has taken the world by storm since its first appeared on the internet. They say this insect was first discovered in 28 by a zoologist named Dr. Arthur Anker from Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. The Venezuelan bottle moth itself began to receive worldwide attention since the photo taken by the researcher of the animal became widespread on the internet. The unusual shape did invite the curiosity of internet residents, so that when the news about this creature circulated widely in the world. The Venezuelan bottle moth is a type of winged insect with fur almost covering most of its body. The name itself is taken based on its physical characteristics, which are similar to a white poodle. This insect was first discovered in the Grand Sabana region in the Parque Nacional Sanaima Forest area, Venezuela, South America. As we know, the South American region itself is an interesting place for flora and fauna researchers around the world. Given that there is a tropical rainforest in the world is large, namely the Amazon, which is known to have a variety of unique animal species that sensitivity was never have identified before. The Venezuelan bottle moth was first discovered in 2008 by a zoologist named Dr. Arthur Anker from Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan.
Fahmi Fahrurrozi, scorpion flying scorpion. The scorpion fly, like the Panorpa species, belongs to the insect order Mecoptera. There are about 1,600 species worldwide, mostly tropical. This is an old group of endopterygoid insects, possibly the ancestor of butterflies and moths. Last-wing flies and true flies, typical adults, have an elongated head with a pair of jaws on the lower edge. The scorpion fly is about 12-15 mm long, but the genital in males, if unrolled, can add another 50 mm. They are pale yellow with black marking, with an orange-brown belly tip. The scorpion fly has long, thread-like antennae, and its membranous wings are strongly marked with blackish-brown spots. The wingspan is 25-13 mm. The common name of this group of insects is based on the appearance of the male. They have large raised genitals on the back of their bodies and look like scorpion stings. They are, however, completely harmless and incapable of stinging. Females have a tubular tip on their abdomen but are otherwise similar in appearance to males. Species in England and Ireland. There are 3 species of scorpion piles in England. Panorfa cognata is the least common and occurs in England and Wales. Panorfa communis and germanica are widespread in England, Scotland and Wales, but only the latter have been recorded in Ireland. Snowflakes also appear to be absent in Ireland. The UK has one other species of Mecopteran borus himils, commonly known as the snow flea. It lives and feeds on moss and is active as an adult during the winter, when it is sometimes seen walking on snow-covered ground, and its common name. Its length is only 5 mm. Female have small vestigial wings, while male wings are spine-like structure. They share an elongated panorped head.
sea snail. Blue dragon sea snail, this marine biot with the Latin name Glaucus atlanticus, is a rare species with average male body size. Its habitat is in the waters of Sydney, Australia. Although the shape and color is very beautiful, but it turns out this snail has a poison that is very dangerous for humans. The danger of its sting is the same as that of a jellyfish, and even scientists say it is more dangerous. Blue dragon sea snail look beautiful, but dangerous. It is blue in color and smell intense, and its first gland is fast, like touching at, but in that out this one species is danger. Blue dragon sea slug usually swallow air and hold in the stomach, though float on the surface in the water. The body color of the blue dragon sea slug actually gives it advantage to float in the ocean without worrying about predator. The blue sheet of the blue dragon sea slug body is similar to the blue color of the sea, while the silver color at the bottom blend with the reflection of the sunrise, making it invisible on the bright surface of the water. If its body color does manage to fool the predator, the blue dragon sea slug will make its next attack give it a sting. The sting comes from the prey it eats. The favorite prey of this blue dragon sea slug is the blue bottle jellyfish. The blue dragon sea slug will store the sting and with touches will immediately release a painful stick that can cause swelling.
Tatarisa is an typing of antelope and river. In the only step between the Chalkin Mountains and the Caucasus Mountains to the Mongolian region. Previously, they were from up to the eastern of in the Pleistocene era. Saiga is classified as reticular battle lose the animal and can now only be found on location in Europe, namely in Kalmykia, the South Russia. In Asia, the animal is only found in two countries, namely Mongolia and Kazakhstan. Estatirisa Rusia Saiga can now be found only in the Caucasus and the different locations in Kazakhstan long ago in Asia. The animal outlived in China and Mongolia within Europa. This animal was found in Romania and Bulgaria before finally becoming extinct in the century due to continuous hunting. Mongolinka Saiga Mongolia, now found only in Western Mongolia. This typing of Saiga is sometimes induced in different species and the Saiga brovelins.
Saiga antelope is an animal that lives in the Eurasian steppe. The face of this animal is unique because it has a combination of the face of an antelope, goat, and tapir. The population of these animals is not much because it is almost gone, which is only about 50,000 head of the world. This hebial is a giant bird that is closely related to the stork. They have dark gray fur and skin, white belly. The stork is that are yellowish gray in color with a large, strong beak. The soul was very famous, especially in ancient Egyptian society. Even some hieroglyphs depict the giant stork. The Soviet stork can grow to a height of 3.5 to 5 feet, or about 1 meter to 1.5 meters, with a wingspan that, when stretched, raises 8 feet or about 2.4 meters. With this size, the sobiel becomes a bird the size of a teenager. The sobiel stork's enormous wings allow it to fly high, even though it requires great repulsion from its feet. Soviet stork can fly at a speed of 150 beats per minute. Its large beak allows the sobiel to hunt large fish, else monitor lizards and young crocodile. Its very large size, with its thick appearance, with an essence impression, make the sobiel stork look scary. So they are often called the rulers of the swamp. Reporting from National Geographic, sobiel stork lives in swamp ecosystem in East Africa, from Ethiopia, South Sudan to Zambia. Thank you for watching. This video was compiled by us, namely Dewi Wahyuni, me, Jumari, Fahmi Fahrurrozi, and Putri Oktapiani, a Pamulang University student, to fulfill our English achievement. Thank you to our teacher. There are errors and shortcomings in the preparation and making of this video.